The sparks that the Greeks know about. The ancient Greeks knew as early as 600 before Christ that when amber was rubbed with fur. Amber is a material which comes out, it is a resin which comes out from a plant, and when it becomes hard, then it had a property, then when it was rubbed with the fur of an animal, it would get charged and it would start attracting paper, thin pieces of hair. This you might have seen when you rub some object, like simple object would be when you rub a comb on woolen object or on your hair, then it starts attracting paper. If you take off your clothes in the dark in the winters, you might even have seen sparks and hear crackling sound. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin was an American scientist who showed that lightning and spark from your clothes are essentially the same thing. The lightning in the sky and the spark which is produced on our clothes are both same. So he did the research and he found that the sparks which are produced when we remove the woolen clothes is caused because of charging. And he did the research that the same type of sparks which are produced in the sky, they are also produced because there is some charging. And however, this revelation took 2000 years. He could not confirm it, but later on with his research he proved it. So you might have read about Benjamin Franklin's experiment, that this research that he was flying a kite in the sky, and the kite was made up of silk, and there was a thread. The thread he had hung you might have read it in English also. So this he tied a thread, and in the thread he kept a key, and he was flying and there was lightning in the sky, and he immediately flew he wanted to see that the lightning in the sky was it actually a charge. So he got an electric shock because from the silk the charge went in through the kite, through the wire, and through the key. The key was hanging near his hand and he got an electric shock. So he proved that it is because of charge in the sky. We shall now discuss some properties of the electric charge. So what are the properties of electric